Hello again, beautiful soul. In my last episode, I shared how forgiveness became the final step in my healing, not for him, but for me. And once I truly forgave, something incredible happened. It was like a lock had been turned inside me, and suddenly I was free. I was 27, young, beautiful, and for the first time in years, I felt me again. I had come back to myself. My energy was magnetic. I was glowing, not because I had achieved something, but because I had finally let go of everything that was never mine to carry. I had a new job. I was taking care of my body. I was going out, meeting people, dancing, flirting. I was exploring life with this new version of me, the one who knew her worth, the one who didn't beg for love, the one who woke up in the morning and smiled, not because someone loved her, but because she loved herself. And let me tell you, I was having fun. The kind of fun you have when you stop giving your power away, when you stop chasing closure. I had money, I had time, I had peace. I felt magnetic, like really magnetic. People noticed, men noticed, and I wasn't even trying. That's what happens when your feminine energy is turned on, when you're soft and strong at the same time, when you're no longer proving anything. I was going to the beach, enjoying music, sipping coffee, biking, doing yoga. I had flings, flirts, random summer romances, but none of it defined me. I was the main character of my life again. But deep down, I knew something else was shifting. Italy was starting to feel done. I had lived there for nearly 10 years. I had grown, healed, cried, loved, broken, and risen again. But I was ready to come home, not just to Romania, but to the next chapter of my life. I didn't know exactly what was coming, but I trusted it, and that's where we'll go next. So if you're in that season of rediscovering yourself, if you've just come out of the fire and you're starting to feel your glow returning, don't hold back. Flirt with life again. Wear the dress, put on the lipstick, go dance. You've earned it. You're not selfish for feeling joy again. You're not wrong for being magnetic again. You're becoming you, the you that was always waiting underneath the pain. I'll see you in the next episode, where we leave Italy behind and step into something completely new.